With the BenQ CP05 Active Pen, presenting and collaborating becomes more natural and efficient. At the beginning of a meeting, press this button to start Summer AI, which records the meeting and generates a full transcript, as well as key points and action items. Long press the same button launches Google Assistant, allowing you to quickly ask questions and find information. When you're ready to begin your presentation, hold this button to start your PowerPoint slideshow. You can then navigate through your presentation using this button. Press here for the next slide and here to go back to the previous slide. You can also hold this button to use the pen as a laser pointer, making it easy to highlight important points. When you are finished, hold this button to stop the slideshow. When it's time to brainstorm or discuss ideas, simply start writing to annotate directly on the screen. Press this button to switch colors instantly, and press and hold it to switch to the eraser, allowing you to quickly correct or remove annotations. Press and hold again to return to pen mode. That's it. The CP05 Active Pen gives you quick access to presentation controls, annotations, and meeting tools, making it easy to conduct your meeting with the pen. If you want to learn more about the BenQ CP05, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.